Hello everyone, today I'm going to share beautiful paintings. So I have taken this A3 heart sheet and firstly I have mixed a little bit of yellow and red into white and I made a skin shade. I'm going to make the border very light. So I have just added a little bit of red to make this shade and red and blue and white to make this lavender shade. So I have made this pastel background for this and now have already traced the vase using pencil and using magenta. I'm going to paint the vase from the left side and from the right side I have mixed blue into magenta to make purple shade. So this is a beautiful purple shade. Like this we are just going to mix the colors nicely. So from the right side I am going to make it more darker. And using sap green I'm going to make the flowers like this only. Make some random flowers. Highlight it with light green and just make the flowers using navy blue, and then using white and different shades of blue I'm going to make some patterns over the flowers. So this is the final look. Now let's move ahead on our next one. On the sheet I'm going to apply white in the center, and by mixing navy blue I'm going to make it from lighter to darker shades. For the ground I'm using brown, so just paint the ground with brown. For the trees also I mixed a little bit of black to make it dark brown, and using sap green we are just going to paint the leaves and tree. So I made the base of the tent, and using very light shades of pink I have just made the tent. So this is the final look. Let's move ahead. For the next one I'm going to show like this is a window scene. So I have taken white and I'm going to make the window first, and using different shades of brown, grey I'm just going to complete my painting. The jars and other pumpkin etc. I'm going to paint with watercolors. I've used both watercolors and acrylic colors into it. So yeah, this is the final look. Let's move ahead on our last one. I have already traced a Buddha. So for the background I'm using watercolors. with white as for acrylic paints, and then using the face only I'm going to use the same colors as shown. So using a very fine tip paintbrush, I'm going to make the small lines and highlights of the Buddha's body. And for the ground I'm using brown, and for the greenery, of course, I'm going to use sap green. Just make its facial features more interesting, and this is how it looks. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.